Hey guys, got this product from Dow. I'm excited to try it out. I've got a couple of things I'm going to be doing today. One thing, I'm going to be attaching this fence so my dogs don't get in while I plant some grass. And being that these guys are stainless steel, they're going to hold up to the weather a lot better than any plastic zip tie. All right, got it unboxed here. We got our steel cable gun right here, tie gun. We got our metal scissors. Does come with a cable tie remover, and then you have a quantity of 50 in each of these 3 different sizes. Comes with this nice bag that you can put everything into, and it also comes with some gloves. All right guys, really easy to install. It's got this beveled end, would actually, once you push it through that, it doesn't come back out, so it does hold it into place. Grab it, put it through where you want to. You get it started, and like I said, once you get it in, it doesn't want to come out easily. You do need a little bit of length, so that way it can grab a hold and squeeze tight. And once it's as tight as where you want it, which for me is about right there, you just twist that. And there's no sharp edge. That's going to be really strong. It's going to hold up to the dogs pushing against it, the wind. So awesome. Let's put a couple more on. Once it gets tight, just twist that. Bingo. Man, that is nice. I like it. Pick a set of these guys up, click on the link below.